Last video we have learned how to crochet chain, single crochet, half double crochet, and magic ring. Today we continue to learn increase crochet, decrease crochet, and lock crochet. Before starting each round, we crochet a chain first. Knit a single crochet as learned before. Then knit a single crochet again at same position. Now we finished a V-stitch. One more time. 1, 2. We will have 12 stitches after finishing the round 2. Beginners can make a mark at the first stitch. Also make a lock crochet connect with the first stitch. Crochet a chain before first stitch. Do you remember how to crochet half double crochet? Let's review together. Wrap the yarn, crochet and pull it out of 3 coils. Great! Crochet a half double crochet again in the same stitch. Keep knit half double crochet on round 3. 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet as one group, loop to the end. We will have 18 stitches after finish round 2. Make a lock crochet connect with the first stitch. Knit 2 chain stitches first. Wrap the yarn. Crochet and pull it out of 2 coils one time. Repeat 2 times to get a double crochet. One more time in same stitch. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet as a group, loop to the end. Make a lock crochet connect with the first stitch. Hook pass through half of the next 2 stitches. Wrap the yarn. Pull it out of the 2 coil. Wrap yarn and pull out. Then we finished a decrease crochet. One more time. One decrease crochet and 1 single crochet, loop to the end. Make a lock crochet connect with the first stitch. As mentioned before, hook pass through the stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull it out. Don't need wrap yarn. Pull the outer coil out of the first coil. That's a lock crochet. One more time. Mostly lock stitches are used as link stitches when round crocheting.